Hello. Today I'm going to go over the parameter filter feature in BIMrx. I'm going to start with a project on a 3D view and select and filter down and just select all my doors in my project. Here I can come to my extract tool and go to define new filter on the extract option. I'm going to select my doors, my categories. I can select individual families or select all of the families. I can also have the option to pick parameters or select and filter down to common parameters only. So I'm going to select a few filters: width, height, comments, and maybe look at a couple of other filters to bring in. So once those are already brought in, I can save this parameters filter in my project. So I'm going to say OK here, and then now that I have that parameters filter created, I'm going to export. Once I have my Excel file, I can go and look at my export catalog and I can see the parameters that were exported and information about them. I also have my type parameters exported as selected. And then when I go to my doors category, I can use and see the specific parameters that I exported and use the Excel sorting feature to drill down to a specific family and look at information based on the parameters of that family and do those updates. Now I can go back to my project, update, and then check and see that my doors have been updated. That's an overview of the parameter filter feature in BIMrx.